Welcome back to another Arbor-Nomics Turf video. I am walking into what is normally and still is a very beautiful fescue lawn. End of March, 1st of May, this thing is usually glowing. And it's a very healthy fescue lawn. With all the rain we've had this fall, still doing good and is in good shape. But I'm showing you this video, creating this video to show you these right here. This weed looks almost identical to fescue from a distance, except for the fact you've got this bright lime green color. This weed is Poa Trivialis, a very invasive weed. As you can see, the various spots throughout the yard, and would probably be very beautiful if it was all clumped together and grew in one massive clump over the entire yard. Unfortunately, this stuff dies out around June, and there will be brown areas of dead grass left behind where these patches are, unfortunately. There's not really anything out there that's going to control this except for digging this out and patching it back in, which this customer has done that. And you can see how any of the rhizomes left behind will come right back during the peak growing season for that grass. So if you have any questions about this, need help managing this in your own personal yard, feel free to call Arbor-Nomics Turf in Norcross or Winder or Marietta or Cumming. We'll be glad to help you out the best we can.